Hi there, this is Agnes. Today we can see how I made a mini photo studio at home to photograph my quilling works. To make this photo studio, you will need a big carton box. Its height should be more. If you don't have one, you can use its closing flaps to increase the height, as I will be doing the same in this video. You will need to cut two corresponding sides of the carton box. Next step is to increase the height of the box. Since my box is shorter in height, I use the closing flaps to give more height. I adhere the corners well with brown tape. If you already have a taller box, you can trim off the closing flap and use it as such. Then I use a bigger sheet of white paper. This is 34 inch 24 inch in size, to line the inside of the box. Fold the excess paper in the top, which we will be adhering later. The middle part of the sheet should not be creased or folded, but leave the natural curve formed by the shape of the carton box. This gives a smooth, seamless background when we photograph. Next, I am adding another sheet to cover the other side. Make a fold to fit in the corner. This avoids any blank areas that could be left open and that would show off while photographing. I have trimmed the excess sheet in the longer side of the box. You can also keep it as such and skip this step. Now, folding the top and bottom of the sheet to fit to the side of the box. The folding in the bottom avoids blank space, and the fold in the top is to hold the paper to the box, which we will be adhering to the outer side. Now I adhere all the sheets to place so that I cover all the inner side of the box with a white sheet. So now the box is ready. We need to put it in a good place. By good place, I mean a window that gets bright natural light, but not direct sunlight. The box should be placed at an angle so that the light falls on the sides of the box and bounces to the object. It avoids shadows of the object being seen in the photograph. I have a selfie stick attached to the window so I can take overhead images easily. Here is how the light bounces from the side wall. When we move this quill design away from the side wall, you can see the shadow becoming more visible and dark. And when we move toward the side wall and take the camera closer, the shadow becomes less evident. You can see the difference between both these pictures. The one on the left is with dark shadows, and the one on the right has milder shadows as the light gets bounced. Remember, while photographing quill designs, we need to have some shadow to show off their three-dimensional quality. Hope you find this video helpful. Our next week's video will be on how to photograph your quilled works. Thanks for watching.